Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can find the hidden folder of Google Photos on your device. So let's get right into it. Now, this folder is exclusively on the Google Photos app. It is not located in your device specifically. It is just a way to separate your photos from the actual photo reel once you open up the app, and you can do it on any platform. It doesn't matter if it's Android, iOS, or PC. You can do it on any one of them, and all you have to do to find it on mobile, you just go to the library, and from there you go into utilities, and then you'll find your locked folder. To access it, you just need to enter your device password, which might be either a fingerprint, your face, or a code. It is the same for Android and iOS and other systems. And on computer, it is your account password. So whichever account you're logged into, you just need to enter that password, and then you'll be able to enter the folder. And that is pretty much it on computer. You just need to click on locked folder. It should be in the sidebar at the left of your screen. There's no need to go to the library, but in any case, you'll find it somewhere, and that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.